Enterprise's ability to compete and succeed in today's digital-first world depends on its ability to harness technology to innovate and scale rapidly. This translates to developers constantly working to provide a high-quality experience to customers while applications are undergoing continuous change. To maintain this constant flow, developers need to be at high productivity at all times. This is possible only if the developers are empowered with the right tools, get the right environment to innovate, and have a frictionless development lifecycle. However, in a typical SDLC, test execution ends up causing friction because enterprises depend on legacy cloud-based test execution platforms that are slow, brittle, and flaky, or on in-house infrastructure that is hard to maintain, grow, and scale. Introducing LambdaTest's Digital Experience Testing Cloud. Our Digital Experience Testing Cloud will enable enterprises to test for omnichannel experiences on custom-designed, robust, high-performance, and scalable infrastructure, thereby accelerating digital transformation. Enterprises can now choose between live and automated cross-browser testing, live and automated real devices testing, visual regression testing, and OTT app testing, ensuring coverage across the entire gamut of omnichannel options. Our continuous testing cloud comes with innovative features like smart workflows, auto test grouping, auto retry, and fail-fast techniques that will do the heavy lifting, allowing testers and developers to concentrate on test creation rather than test execution and orchestration. Enterprises can decide their deployment mode, be it public cloud, dedicated cloud, or on-premise. To top it off, enterprises will have access to centralized test analytics and observability that will unify all test execution data and enable informed decision-making. The Digital Experience Testing Cloud will seamlessly fit into the CI/CD pipeline with 120+ integrations across categories like communication, bug tracking, test management, test authoring, and automation. Also, LambdaTest is ISO SOC 2 certified and GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA compliant. Try the LambdaTest Digital Experience Testing Cloud now.